when we all stand here, it only signifies one thing, that the whole village is one. We have our parish heads here, all the six villages parish heads along with me. I have the sarpanchas with me, I have my ZP members with me, I have renowned doctors along with me. I'm glad here that we are all there together here for humanitarian basis. We are here together to show the unity that we are all serving for humanity. When the proposal reached to us, and when Babashan came to me and he said that we have to start this COVID center. It is a project by Father Ave Murray and Sarpanch of Majorda. We immediately made a visit to the CM's chamber. One has to be an encourager when the whole world is among critics. And this type of one encourager is Dr. Pramod Sawant. Simple, yet one of the best Chief Minister of the country. I praise and owe my gratitude to the Chief Minister of Goa for being such a good support to the entire constituency. He has given us the way out to start even a vaccination center for the age group of below 45 and above. He has been a support to us in many other ways. When even at night we used to call him because of certain patients of us who are in GMC and various other hospitals, he immediately aided us. Thank you, sir, for all the support that you have given to our constituency. I thank the director of IPA, Provideria, for immediately even sanctioning me the possession to be given to the collector. I thank the collector, Madam Ruchika Katyal. She has been of immense help to me. Also, undoubtedly, the help which has been given by the DHS to me, that is the director, Dr. Suzay Desa, his administrative head, Dr. Siomara, she has also been of a great help to me. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all my panchas, the sarpanchas, who have been along with me to fight this pandemic. We are not just there today here. Babashan is not here just today with the formal inauguration of a COVID center. We were here right from 2020 when he was being seen as a vegetable vendor. His wife was being seen as a vendor on the rickshaw. We have seen a number of ways that we have gone through, but the world is full of critics. We are still here. We will fight. We will be with the humanitarian grounds. We are here. All politics aside, I thank everybody here, and a big thank you to all my parish priests who have been present here.
Good evening, one and all. Today it gives me immense pleasure to come to a COVID care center in my constituency. I am a ZP for Kolva constituency, and two of my villages, that is Majorda Panchayat and Betalpati Panchayat, comes under the MLA of Lume constituency, that is Babashan. I have been working with them closely throughout, and I know how much work they have done. And it is a very proud moment indeed. Why? Because the first COVID center of the constituency is in my village. So I thank him for taking the step, and I know whenever you have an idea, you need people to support it, and we are very thankful for all the parish priests here, all the sarpanchas, punch members, and everybody who has worked to make this thing happen. Apart from the COVID center, we had known last year that Babashan has started a COVID helpline where people could call, and if there was nobody to take them to the hospital or for a COVID test, because the scare was so much that they were like, we will get it. At that time, there was a helpline where they would provide you with a car, a driver who would take you there. If you needed to go to a hospital, that assistance was also provided. Plus, in the second round also, and also in the first round, continuing the same, we had a doctor going to all the home isolated patients, house to house, checking on them, checking their vitals, and if they needed any assistance, like if they needed to be shifted to the hospital, the doctor would recommend it, so that there was no fear that I'm not going to die, if I stay at home I'm going to die, if I go in the hospital. That confusion was cleared out by the doctor, so very much thankful for that. And one very important factor about having the COVID care center in this sort of a setup is that a lot of us are scared to go to the hospital because of all the news that we hear and people dying. This is like a home setup where we have separate dining areas, separate sleeping areas, and you are like coming as a community. Where if the other patient is also, we are going to have only COVID positive patients here. So each other is going to encourage, we are going to get through this. And because it is in a house, it gives us even more comfort. So thanks to everybody who has made this happen, right from the CM, who has given us the permissions, then the collector and all, because without the governmental aid, nothing is possible, because we need their permissions to go ahead with it, the MLA. And in all of this, there is one person who's always in the shadow, that is his wife, Miss Frida Desa. She has been always encouraging and helping and going around getting all the permissions and doing all the groundwork. Right from getting the permissions to cleaning the place to being there and making sure everything is in place. So I am very happy to be working alongside.
आज आमी कोविड-19 केअर सेंटर माजोर्डा विलेजीक ओपन केलां कित्याक फाटले कितले म्हयने जाले 15-16 म्हयने जाली कोविड पेंडेमीक आमचे हे दुयेंस येयल्यात आनी हे पयले पेंडेमीक येयले तेन्ना आमकां प्रिपेर आसना आमकां खबर आसना कितें तें कितें करपाचें कितें जाता तें तेन्ना आमी जायते फॉर्मेट कितें करपा जाय आसलेलें त्या लोकांक आमी हेल्प केलें मागीर तेजे फाटल्यान आतां सेकेंड वेव येयली सेकेंड वेव चड भिरांक उलयली आनी चड लोकांक त्रास जाले आमी फर्स्ट वेवीक जायते लोकांक त्रास केले आमचे मदीं जायते आमगे भाव भयण पंच जावं हेर पंचां गेले फॅमिली कोण जायते सपोर्ट करताले हेल्प करताले लोकांक ते आयज सेकेंड वेवीक आमचे मदीं नाय ते आयज मरोन गेले आनी ही वेव असो जाली सगलो लोक भियेलो सगळ्यांक कणकण येयलो तशें करून आमचे भाव जावं सरपंच जावं पंच ZP मेंबर आमचे पाद्री भाव सगळे उठवले वयताले आमचे लोकांक हेल्प करपाक जायते लोकांक कोवीड जावपा लागली आमकां एक फोन येवन आसलो कोविडा भायर दुसरो कसलोच ते थोडे दीस असले येयले एक फोन रिंग जालो तो कसलोय जाल्यार कोवीड पेशंट कितें तरी जाला ह्या फाटी फोन रिंग जालो ते कोविडा लागून असले दीस आमी काडले आनी म्हूण आमची हे भियोन आमी आमचे सरपंच जावं पंच वर्कर आमी हाट रावनाय आमी सगळे बरे भाशेन काम केलें युनायटेडली काम केलें फादरांनी आमकां हेल्प केलो सगळे प्रिस्ट सदां खबर घेताले कितें करपा जाय आमगे सपोर्ट जायो तुमी सांगाय फादरांनी म्हाका भरपूर सपोर्ट केलो हे चिंतून आमी एक लास्टा आमगेले फादर माजोर्डा पादिगार फादर आवे मारिया हेणें एक दीस सगळ्यांक मेसेज गायल्यो आनी एक ग्रूप केलो आनी एक संडेची माजोर्डा चर्ची एक मिटींग दवरली आमी मिटिंगेक गेले आनी मिटिंगेक डिस्कशन केलें तेन्ना आमचे माजोर्डा सरपंचानूय एक प्रपोजल घायलो कोवीड केअर सेंटर करपाक तेन्ना आमकां आमच्या फादरान बरो सपोर्ट केलो चल या मुखार आपूण तुजे बरो आहा म्हूण तेन्ना हें आमी चिंतिल्लें खूंय करपाक माजोर्डा हॉलां करपाक गेले पूण थिंगा वचोन चयलें जाल्यार सगळीं पत्र्यां हीट जावपा लागली ते पेशंटाक त्रास जातले दुसरें कॉलेज आहा आमचेली फादर बाजिल्यो ती कॉलेजी करपाक गेले थिंग एग्जाम आसली 12th स्टँडर्ड तेका लागून थिंग करपाक गेले मागीर आमी चिंतिल्लें कोण एकल्यान डिसायड केलें आमी आजिलान करया म्हूण आनी आजिलाचें काम चलतालें 2 वर्स मायज जालीं हेजें काम चलतालें हें काम आयज कंप्लीट जालां तेजो अरावंड 2 crores एस्टिमेट केल्लो आनी 2 crores काम करून जे फायनल स्टेजीचे आसतना आमी पावले तेंगे काम जावपा लागलें थोडें फिनिशींग उरलें तेन्ना आमी फोर्स केलो आमी CMाक जाय फोर्स केलो म्हूण आनी आनी 10-15 दीस आमकां हें काम कंप्लीट करपाक बारीक बारीक कितें आहा तें करपाक आनी 15 days आमकां रावचें पडलें पूण शेकींग आमकां आमच्या CMान एक जेन्ना वचोन मेळ्ळे आनी आमची सांगिल्लें आमी चिंतिल्लें हें हितून कोचपाक CMाक आमी एक लेटर केली आमगे चॅरिटेबल ट्रस्टाचेर आनी तें चॅरिटेबल सोसायटी म्हूण तेणें आमकां एकूच दिसान आमकां परमिशन दिलें तेन्ना एक लेटर दिली कलेक्टराक आनी कलेक्टरान दुसऱ्या दिसा म्हणल्यार आमकां सँक्शन ऑर्डर दिली आनी आमी हिंगा आज स्टार्ट करपाक पावले आमचे हे पयले आजील आसलेले ओल्ड एज आसलेले हिंगा एक काम चलत म्हूण हिंगाचे सगळे कोण आसलेले आजिला आसले तांकां आमी लोटले घायल्ले आतां आमी कोवीड केअर सेंटर केला आमी सद्या 26 बेड्स घायले जेंट्स सेपरेट वॉर्ड केला लेडीज सेपरेट वॉर्ड केला आनी वयर आनी एक हॉल आहा थिंगा आमी चिल्ड्रन म्हूण सेपरेट एक कोन्न दवरलो आहा हें आतां आमी जाणाय आमगेलें कोवीड आतां जायतें उणें जायत आहा फाटल्या दिसांनी दिसा 3,000-4,000 केसीस जाताल्यो आतां 600 टेस्ट करून जाले जायते देंवल्याय पूण देंवल्याय म्हूण जायता म्हणटाले आतां देंवल्याय तुमी हें कित्याक कोताय बंद कराय म्हूण पूण आमी रेडी रावपा जाय थर्ड वेव येवपा आहा ही सगळ्यांक खबर आहा सेकेंड वेव तर अशें करून हितू आड येयली जाल्यार थर्ड वेवूय कितें जायत तें कोणाक खबर ना तेका लागून आमी मुखार गेले आनी हे आज रेडी केलें आनी आमी सगळ्यो चडश्यो आमचे कडेन जाता ते भाशेन फॅसिलिटीज दिले दवरल्या हिंगा गव्हर्मेंटान आमकां प्रिमायसीस दिला आनी स्टाफ दिला डॉक्टर आनी नर्सीस हेर सगळें आमगे सरपंचान आमकां बेड्स आनी मॅट्रसीस तेका आसल्यो त्यो तेणें घायले हेर सगळें कितें आहा पळय हेर सगळें कितें कोवीड सेंटरा लागता ते सगळें हांवें वेलफेअर डिसायड चॅरिटेबलाचे मॅनेज केलां आनी हें सेंटर म्हाका एक बरें करून दवरपा जाय आनी आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आख्खे नुवें कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक म्हूण केलें तें आमी आतां तो ह्या केसीस उणी जाले पूण गोडी येयनाका आमी तशें मेंटेन